Gaining knowledge is the first step to wisdom. I request you all to go through the disclaimer first. Today we are going to study about Bharat Electronics Limited. The face value of the script is 1 rupee. 52 weeks high is 122.1, dated 4th of November 2019. 52 weeks low 56 rupees, dated 24th of March 2020. Closing price 114 rupees 45 paisa, dated 13th of August 2020. This is the 15 days data analysis. According to this, 115 rupees 40 paisa acts as a resistance, support level is 93.75 and the traded volume is pretty impressive. This is the 1 month data analysis. According to this, 115 rupees 40 paisa acts as a resistance, support level is 93.75 and the traded volume is pretty impressive. This is the 1 year graph. Clearly indicates after the month of May, the script is moving in a pattern of higher top and higher bottom up till this date, which indicates an upward movement only. According to the RSI Relative Strength Index, clearly indicates that the script is into an overbought zone where the natural selling can come in, push the script down, which is a temporary phenomena only. The Japanese candlestick chart clearly indicates below 93 the script is really weak and the script has moved up above 105 rupees level. So nearby support is 105. Below 105 rupees, if the script breaks down, certainly it's going to have some selling pressure. Below 105, 93 indicated. Below 93, 81 is indicated. Below 81, 67 is indicated. But at present level, there is no such scenario. The script is trying to move up and break few levels above 115. If the script moves up with a huge volume, then certainly it's going to touch few higher levels. Subjected there should be a huge volume. The immediate level is 122 rupees level above 115. About 122, the script can make a very big movement. Subjected there should be volume. The total study which we have done in this particular recording based on the past performance of the script, which is subjected to market conditions in which all type of risks are involved. The risk factor is there. Here I like to announce, we are not promoting any individual script or any company. We are making an educational video of purpose knowledge sharing. I request you all to subscribe the channel, press the bell button so that you can get the latest information at a faster rate. Thank you very much.